There we go. It's time to continue again. So if you're back, please turn on your camera. It's way more useful to have that. It's better for your learning. It's better for me seeing what's going through your mind. But I will ask you questions. So if you're uncomfortable with that, keep it off. Also, I assume you're not there actually if your camera is off. So we have just discussed how to start Python on HPC cluster. We have used module spider or module avail to look for Python modules. And then we've loaded a Python module with a specific version, and then we've ran it. That's what we've done so far. But Python, according to some, was a very powerful language. I think I heard that. And I'm going to talk about packages and how they make that more powerful. Python packages, what are they? Sharing first. Let's close there. So I'll paste the link, but you don't need to go directly there. I'll just go through it. It's in the chat now. So the goal is, in this session, we'll be using the documentation of the centers a bit, but you'll see also the answers are there. But it's good to get comfortable with your centers documentation. We're going to determine which Python package are installed. We're going to load a module that's more. We're going to install a Python package. So to give you an overview, I'll mostly talk about the workflow to find if a Python package is already installed. So you want to use a Python package that's smart because it's code written by others that you can reuse. You want that. And maybe it's already, the first question you ask yourself, is it already installed when I load a Python module? Because all three centers do already load Python packages for you when you load your module. If yes, then you're done. If it's not installed yet, maybe there's a pre-installed Python package module. So use the module system to load a module that has also pre-installed Python packages for you. If that's available, use that one. It's way easier. You just let us take care of it for you. You load it, you're happy. If not, then you have to install it yourself, and you can do that. This 1, 2, and 3 are exactly the 3 exercises in this session. And I'll show you, don't need to go there yet. I'll show you through it. I want to talk a bit about Python package installers. So Python has packages, which is code written by others. It's installed by package installation system. And there are 2 main ones, pip and conda. And you see from the arrows, not everything works on all centers or is recommended on all centers. We'll be using pip here because it works good enough on all centers. But maybe your HPC center really uses conda. But well, that center is not teaching in this course at this moment. So that's why we'll be using pip. It's one of the installers. So let's go through the exercises. There are 3 of them. We don't dive in yet. But first, if you need a video on those, if you get stuck, all the centers have their own video on how to do the exercise, right? So you should be able to do it. Try to avoid using that video. But if you get stuck, please use it. All right, it's there for you. It goes exactly through the exercise from your center. So let's see, exercise 1, loading a Python module that comes with the Python module. We need to load a Python module of the correct version. Tick, 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 tick. Answers are here in drop-down boxes. Try to do that. For this exercise, try to use the documentation, but if you don't use it for longer than 1 minute, right? Try to be quick and find it, just to get an idea what it's look like. Like all the documentation is at your center, at your favorite center, it's there. But if you get stuck, answers are here. How to determine if it's installed? Well, it's here. And we know that the Python package is already installed, which version, and how to find it here. Exercise 2 is about loading a module that loads a Python package. This differs per center with different modules and different things. Also here, try to find the documentation. Don't do this too long. The links are here. Load the module and verify if it's loaded. Exercise 3, install something yourself. Also here, use your center's documentation. It's all there. install a Python package. It could be any one. In this case, it's this one. And then you have worked with Python packages. Are there any questions about this exercise procedure?